Vidding. Hey YouTube, it's AWeller31. I'm bringing you a pistol analysis with Taboo 55, dual com. Say hi.
Hey YouTube.
So yeah, on my new account, Live to Die. Yeah, so here we go. Let's start this up. This is the second attempt, but we'll fast forward a little bit through a little bit. This kind of failed out. Now we got this, and now we're gonna go the M19, and we get 1, 2, 3. So yeah, Taboo. So what do you think about the M19?
It's good. I used it a lot, but I didn't have enough money to go for any other ones, so
Okay.
that one.
Yeah, I think it's the worst of the pistols. Or one of the, actually, I think it's ASP is the worst, and then the M19 second worst. But so I'll start this up again. Now we'll go Makarov 1, 2, 3. So Makarov, what do you think about the Makarov?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I've never used the Makarov much, but when I have, it's okay. It's an okay pistol.
It's pretty good with extended mag, but
Never tried that. I'll try it sometime soon. So now I got this, and this. Now I got my Python. So 1, 2 with the Python. So what do you think about the Python?
it's actually pretty good because it has more damage than most of the pistols, but it has a small clip size.
Yeah, I think it's got the best damage. I like it. It's my favorite. So yeah, small clip, no extended mags. That's okay though. Only takes 6 bullets, 2 bullets to kill, so you have a couple misfires. Now I got this little CZ. 1, 2, 2 with the CZ. And then now I got the CZ's dual wielded. So it takes me 2 burst things. You know what I mean, 4 shots. So what do you think about the dual wields?
I don't know, because you have to go off your crosshairs and not your iron sights, so
Yeah.
I think 1 is better than 2, but 2 gives more damage, so.
Yeah. And what do you think about the dual CZ? I think it's a good little weapon.
Better than the M19, I can tell you that, but
Than the M19, yeah, okay. So now I got the Python dual wield beast of a weapon. Just 2 shots, one bursting. I gotta kill myself again. Oh, I got the Makarovs. 4 also, or 2. So dual wield is kind of bad, or okay, or yeah, you know what I mean. Another 4 with that one. And then we got trying the dual wields again with the CZ. So that was 4. And to finish it, we got Pythons again. For the headshot, we're trying it. We're going to try it with the other Python now. And this is a finish it. In the head. Still takes 2 shots. So, yeah. What do you think, Brian? Think the all around, what do you think's the best?
You guys will get a good, what you can see in the pistols, so now you're not, like, which one's better, and not just going off their record.
Yeah. Well, that about wraps it up. Hope to get more vids soon. Peace.